Nona Peltier has joined me in the studio for business. Hi, Nona.
Hello.
Consumer confidence, steady, you say?
Steady, yes. When it comes to how you feel today, according to the latest survey by the ANZ Bank Roy Morgan survey, we do this every month, they say basically that consumers are a lot more confident about their current conditions, and so they're spending more on things like major appliances and so on. And really this confidence seems to be holding steady everywhere. Now when it comes to the future though, things are far less certain, and so overall we rose 1 point.
Right.
Because the current conditions were very positive, but less so when you think about the future.
Do they give us any explanation for those feelings?
Yeah, so I guess just generally people are feeling good because even though we have a lot of gloomy outlook in terms of the global economy, economic outlook is also weaker. The housing market slump, all these things are reasons for people to be concerned about their future, but for now they're feeling pretty good. And that's mostly because we have a very strong labor market. We're going to get some labor market numbers, an update on those next week. But for now, people are feeling, their job positions are good. So yeah, they're feeling pretty much like they can spend.
And today you come bearing another record high, a different one though today.
Yes, this is for exporters. So maybe some of those exporters are consumers too, because exports are for a month are at a record high level. So we were almost at $1 billion in terms of exports last month. The value rose 19%. And so, yeah, we had a surplus overall of $922 million, and that's because of the growth in exports. So overall, the value of our exports in March were $5.7 billion. That's the most they've ever been. And that just really shows that despite the global pressures and the trade uncertainties, it really hasn't affected very much about New Zealand's exports. And we've heard that time and again, that it was unlikely to affect us, and it certainly doesn't seem to have.
Any major front runners in there? As in for the ones that are seeing increases?
Yeah, we've seen more high value in dairy, meat, forestry products being sent to China. China's still buying our products. They obviously like them very much. And so the market says there's nothing to see here, move along. Yeah. Never mind, we've had a very strong market, as you know. Yeah. And so we saw some record values in our share market, and that generated some commentary about maybe they're a little bit toppy. So maybe we saw some profit taking today because our market dropped 0.75%, down 77 points to 9,995, just below that 10,000 mark where we've been for a while. And the dollar is trading steady against the U.S., which is not surprising because they're going to have some economic data overnight. 66.4 U.S. cents. No one's exactly sure where that's going, but a little bit stronger against the Australian currency at 94.6 cents and 51.5 pence.
Thanks, Nona. That is Nona Peltier with your business news.